Subhas Chandra Bose. He is also known as Netaji. He was born in Orissa. He founded the Azad Hind Government and Azad Hind Army, now known as the Indian National Army, INA. He is known for his inspiring slogan, "Give me blood, and I will give you freedom." His death in 1945 remains a mystery, and he is remembered as a hero and patriot. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India. He was first Home Minister of independent India. He worked tirelessly to bring princely states into the Union of India. He also received the Bharat Ratna Award. The birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is celebrated as National Unity Day. Jawaharlal Nehru, popularly known as Chacha Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. He was appointed the country's first Prime Minister upon independence. Lala Lajpat Rai, also known as Punjab Kesari, was an Indian author and one of the bravest national heroes of India. He was part of the trio known as the Lal Bal Pal, along with Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, who worked together for India's freedom. He led many protests and worked for social reforms, including better education and rights for all people. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is often referred to as the father of the nation in India. He is best known for his philosophy of nonviolent resistance, or Satyagraha. Gandhi Jayanti, celebrated on 2nd October, is a national holiday in India that marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The most popular phrase, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, was coined by him in 1965. He held the office of Home Minister upon India's independence. He was elected as the second Prime Minister of India in 1964. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He helped write India's constitution and was a key leader in the Indian National Congress. He was the first President of India. He was born on 3rd December 1884 in a village in Bihar, India. He received the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian honor. Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey inspired Indians by introducing the phrase Maro Firangi Ko. He was one of the first to inspire young Indian soldiers to begin the 1857 Great Rebellion, also known as India's first war of independence. Bhagat Singh. He joined the non-cooperation movement in 1921. He started the Naujwan Bharat Sabha to encourage patriotism among young people. The Chauri Chaura massacre deeply affected him. The British executed him at the age of 23, and he is remembered as Shahid Bhagat Singh. Nana Sahib. He was a brave leader who played a big role in the 1857 uprising in India. He led a group of rebels and fought against British soldiers in Kanpur. Nana Sahib was very skilled at planning and organizing, helping many warriors work together. Bipin Chandra Pal. He advocated for Swaraj, self-rule, and Swadeshi, self-reliance. He was one of the leaders of the extremist group in the Indian National Congress who wanted more immediate and powerful changes. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He is called the father of Indian unrest because he strongly opposed British rule. His famous words were, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," which means that freedom is a natural right for all. Tilak helped start the All India Home Rule League, which worked to get India its freedom. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a famous poet and a strong freedom fighter. She was called the Nightingale of India because of her beautiful poetry. She was a leader in important movements like civil disobedience and Quit India, helping to fight against British rule. Sarojini Naidu was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress, a major political party. She also became the first woman governor of an Indian state after independence. Chandra Shekhar Azad. He was a key member of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, HSRA, a group that worked for India's freedom. Azad was known for his fearless actions and his strong belief in independence. He took part in many anti-British activities, like the famous Kakori train robbery. He famously said he would never be captured by the British alive, and he kept his promise. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the brave queen of Jhansi who fought against British rule. She played a big role in the 1857 Indian Rebellion, leading her army with great courage. Rani Lakshmi Bai was known for her bravery and smart battle strategies. She became a symbol of India's fight for freedom and inspired many people. Her fearless fight against British forces made her a heroine in India's history.